Guys, autofanatic. I'm going to show you guys a quick demo on my Alfa Romeo Quadrifoglio using the autofanatic 007 and the professional Meguiar's detailing clay. The car just got here 48 hours ago. It's got some contaminants on it from the transport, and I'm just going to show you how quick and easy it is to do a clay application with the 007 and why it is the superior lubricant to do it. So let me just get set up and we'll go you through this video. Alright guys, so the front fender and the rest of the car has got some little bit of film, not a film, but some contaminants on it. And we're going to use the autofanatic 007. It's just going to be another demonstration as far as how well it works. Now, with a lot of detailing sprays, when you spray it on the panel, it'll run down and it'll start to dry. You cannot usually just wipe that off. You most likely got to respray the panel to reactivate it and then wipe it off. So with 007, you're going to get the increased lubricity, you're going to get the ease of use, and you're also going to add a layer of protection in one step, and that's what a conventional detailing spray is not going to do. So I'm going to show you here. Just going to mist the panel liberally. We got the Meguiar's Professional Clay. I already kneaded it out in my hand. And we're going to go nice and even pressure. Nice and easy. Let the clay do its job. You don't want to, put too much pressure and then you're going to mar the painted surface. That's that. You guys can probably see all the contaminants that are in the clay. And that's it. And I'm using the Griot's Garage blue PFM detailing towels. These are my favorite towels. I absolutely love them. It has that just wax look, and that's what a lot of detailing sprays aren't going to give you. Especially when you're doing clay work. You're going to spray the panel. Some guys use soapy water, which is going to make a mess. But with the autofanatic 007 and professional 3M or Meguiar's cleaning clay, you can pretty much decontaminate your car in about 30 minutes safely, add a layer of protection, and when you have time in the future, throw a coat of wax on it. You can throw some more 007, and you're just going to keep it looking fresh. So hope you guys like this quick demo of the autofanatic 007 as a paint cleaning clay lubricant. Please like, subscribe, and share. I will post a link to my store in the video description. Pick up a bottle today. I guarantee you guys are going to absolutely love it. And I'll also post the video links to the demonstration of the 007 in the description below. See you later. autofanatic@yahoo.com. Visit my website, www.auto-fanatic.com. See you guys later for more automotive content.